Hello, I'm Eser from Bosch. In today's video, I'll introduce you to some great news, namely the Bosch GKS 185 Li Professional Cordless Circular Saw and the GST 185 Li Professional Cordless Reciprocating Saw. We will certainly not forget the corresponding Bosch system accessories tested by demanding professionals over the years. The cordless circular saw Bosch GKS 185 Li uses a high-performance brushless motor. 5,000 idling revolutions per minute ensures fast work progress. It is equipped with a soft start system and an electric brake that stops the disc immediately after the engine is turned off. The cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li can therefore be stored away immediately after cutting. The cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li is suitable for saw blades with a diameter of 165 mm, a 20 mm mounting hole, and a blade body thickness of up to 1.8 mm. As you can see, they are reduced in thickness to reduce cutting resistance, which results in an increased number of machining operations that can be performed per full battery cycle. The standard equipment of the cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li is the Bosch standard for wood blade with a tooth thickness of 1.5 mm, which is designed specifically for cordless circular saws. It is not only increases the efficiency of cutting, but also extends the working time of the cordless tool per one battery charge. The saw blades in the cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li are mounted on the spindle using a screw with an Allen key. The spindle lock makes it easy to change saw blades. The upper fixed protective cover is made of aluminum and the lower movable one is made of plastic. In the upper cover, there is a connector for connecting the hose of an industrial vacuum cleaner for cleaning out the chips. The base of the cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li is made of light aluminum alloy and has clear cut indicators for angles of 0 and 45. They are very solidly processed and resistant to difficult working conditions. The maximum depth of cut at an angle of 0 degrees is 57 mm, and at an angle of 45 degrees, the maximum depth of cut is 41 mm. And here we have a tilt angle scale ranging from 0 degrees to 50 degrees. The precise adjustment of the frequently used angles of 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees gives a click signal, which undoubtedly facilitates the speeds up the use of the saw. The cutting angle adjustment is locked with one screw, not two, as on most saws available on the market. So this is another solution to facilitate operation. We can mount a parallel line to the base and make serial cuts of elements of the same width. The cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li is equipped with ergonomic handles with non-slip, soft material that prevents the hand from slipping when cutting. The LED diode illuminating the cutting line and the low weight, which is only 2.8 kg without battery, also positively affect the comfort of the work. The cordless circular saw GKS 185 Li, like other 18V professional Bosch cordless tools, is compatible with all 18V batteries of the professional range. And we have another great helpers here. The cordless Jigsaw GST 185 Li with round handle and GST 185 Li with open handle, both with a powerful brushless motor that provides exceptional performance, fits well in the hand and easy to use. The number of idling strokes can be continuously adjusted using integrated electronics and adjustment wheel. The tool-free Bosch SDS clamping system makes it easy to change saw blades. The 4-stage pre-oscillation allows us to flexibly choose between a fast or clean cut and the desired result. Behind the pre-oscillation setting, we have a chip blowing switch. If the function is activated, it keeps the cut line free of dust. The excellent and comfortable work is enhanced by the LED diode illuminating the cut line. The robust, stable metal base plate gives us full control when cutting, and in the case of cutting close to the edge, we can move the base plate back. And that's not all. The base plate can be tilted up to 45 degrees to the right or left to make oblique cuts. To do this, it is necessary to loosen the screw and set the desired angle. The sliding foot is part of the delivery and is used when processing delicate surfaces to prevent damage to the surface. And let's not forget the possibility of connecting the hose of an industrial vacuum cleaner to extract chips using a rotating tube. Since we define the performance of reciprocating saws by the maximum possible cutting depth, it is not surprising that the cordless reciprocating saw GST 185 Li achieves an impressive cutting depth of 125 mm into wood. For non-ferrous metals, for example, for aluminum, it's a maximum of 20 mm, and for unalloyed steel 10 mm. It goes without saying that the speed of the saw blade lift as well as the pre-oscillation consumption must be adjusted according to the material being cut. When processing the thin materials, for example sheet metal, turn off the pre-vibration. In hard materials, for example steel, work with a small pre-vibration. In soft materials and when cutting wood, you can work with maximum pre-oscillation. The Bosch GST 185 Li cordless reciprocating saws have an ergonomic shape as well as a handle with an anti-slip soft material that prevents the hand from slipping when cutting, and like other 18V and Bosch cordless professional tools, are compatible with all 18V batteries of the professional range. Let's have a brief recap. The cordless circular saw Bosch GKS 185 Li offers remarkable cutting performance, enables straight cuts with a depth of 57 mm and beveled cuts with a depth of 41 mm, metered cuts at an angle of 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 50 degrees and 90 degrees in hard and soft wood, including OSB and MDF boards. The powerful brushless motor provides higher cutting speeds and allows for easy servicing. The tool has compact dimensions, is safe to use and is equipped with an integrated suction connector for Bosch electric and battery vacuum cleaners, which enable work in a dust-free and safer environment. This cordless circular saw is compatible with all batteries and chargers of Bosch Professional 18V system. Cordless reciprocating saws GST 185 Li are ideal for circular and transverse cuts in solid wood, chipboard and wood composite materials, as well as for thicker or harder materials. Speed adjustment allows use with different materials. The 4-stage pre-oscillation allows a choice between fast or clean cutting. It offers a base adjustable up to 45 degrees for bevel cuts. The tool-free Bosch SDS clamping system makes it easy to change saw blades. Thanks to the brushless motor and time-tested mechanical system, it easily replaces the mains electric jigsaw thanks to the power corresponding to the power of the mains tool. Both products as well as system accessories are advantageous in terms of price-performance ratio and recommended to experts in the field of construction, assembly, carpenters and joiners. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time at Bosch Professional Middle East channel. Thank you and goodbye.